frustrated with the dismissal of the deep state conversation. I worked 12 years in the intelligence community. I eventually had to get out because I couldn't take the corruption anymore. It's exactly what people say it is. It's exactly what this so-called conspiracy theorists are saying, and I get so tired of this dismissal of saying that it's not there. People feel like it's their duty, regardless of what the politicians, regardless of the elected officials want, that they have this solemn duty to maintain something, and it supersedes everything. It supersedes any sort of conversation or desire by the American people. They feel that they have the right to do whatever they need to do to maintain their control. And it infuriates me that the media and everyone are so dismissive of the concept.
Well, they're dismissive because they want to try to keep it under wraps. They've gotten away with portraying people who talk about it as conspiracy kooks for so long, and that's been a very successful way to keep it under wraps. This is why I think it's monumental what Trump has done. There's all kinds of ways to look at this. You can look at this, oh my God, these people are trying to destroy Trump. Oh my God, this is horrible. Oh my God, Trump's... No, the other way to look at it, look at what Trump is exposing. He's doing exactly what he was elected to do. He's exposed these people, and he's bringing into clear view for anybody who wants to pay attention exactly who they are and how they operate. And by the way, making end runs around them, not including them, for example, in the phone call to Ukraine, not including them after leaks of phone calls. That's exactly what he was elected to do. It's exactly what drain the swamp means. He can't get rid of them, but he can certainly render them irrelevant. He can deny them access, and it is driving them nuts. And that's why they're coming back and talking about him being so unqualified and so unsophisticated and so strange to the ways of Washington. These are people, you say that these are people, they have a right. I think it's worse than that. I know what you mean. I think what you really mean, they have a sense of entitlement. They are not elected, and yet they think that they have a duty to protect the American people from themselves, because the view of the American people is one of ignoramuses, dunces, people who don't know what's going on. And these people have this added attitude of superiority about them. And when you boil it all down, nobody elected them. They're not accountable to anybody. And it's about time that the American people found out that there's a large group of people, unaccountable, unelected, who think that they are entitled